morning all. I'm Pramila from Bangalore Baptist Hospital. I'm a diabetic educator. Today I'm going to talk about how to use the insulin pen, the techniques of using insulin pen. Insulin pen got their name because they are about the size and shape of writing pen. Insulin pen contain cartridge pre-filled with insulin. The pen is dialed for your recommended insulin dose. Preparing the insulin pen. If insulin is milky, roll to mix the insulin. Get the needle ready. Remove the paper tap and needle cover. Prime the insulin pen and clear the air from the needle. Turn the dose knob to dial in your insulin dose. Select an injection site. Gently pinch up skin and inject at 90-degree angle. Once it's done, need to hold for 5 to 10 seconds to see any leakage from the injection site. Slowly remove the needle and discard the needle. We can use the needle maximum 3 to 5 pricks only, not more than that. Put back pen cap and replace the pen in a refrigerator. I hope you have understood the insulin techniques. If you have any doubts, please contact us. Thank you.